everyone, take a circular flattened piece of dough, fold over two of the sides and then roll the bottom over as such. Now lift it up and then join both of the sides together, press it at the back. Use a fork in order to flatten it and make these markings, and then in the front, sharpen it in order to make it look like a beak. Using a pair of scissors, make multiple cuts on either side of it in order to make it look like wings. Add these black bead-like shapes and then afterwards add a red top to it all. Next, take this circular piece of dough and then shape it in order to make it an ovular shape. Now make a cut in the front as such and then make it into two parts. Make it into the ears. At the back, make a cut for a tail as well. Add two seeds on either side in order to make the eyes and then cut out the mouth in the front. In the front and the back, make the hands and legs accordingly out of cutting it. Now take this piece of dough that has been flattened, that is oval in nature, make two slits on either side and roll it upwards. Now add a button-like shape to the front as such and make a slit right in the middle. Now add two holes for the nose, flatten the top for the ears and then add two seeds for the eyes. You're making a pig. At the back, make a small slit and then roll it from the back to the front as such. Next, take the cylindrical piece of dough. Begin to make multiple lines on it as such, all throughout the cylindrical shape. Now, reverse the side and then make these diagonal lines all towards the back once more. Now, shape it as a snake, and then in the front, flatten it out a little bit, and then add these eye-like shapes. Add seeds in order to make the black portion. Make a slit in the front for the mouth, and then add this tongue using some pink dough. Next, we'll start off by taking a cylindrical piece of dough and then wrap it up one on top of the other as such. Now press it down, and after this, flatten out the back. Make multiple slits at the back once you've flattened it out and spread it out. Now in the front, shape it and then sharpen the front in order to make a beak-like shape. Make a slit in the beak-like shape, add a red top and add seeds for the eyes. Next, we'll start off by taking a circular flattened piece of dough. Now add a seed within it and then wrap the dough around it. Now add a button-like shape to the front and then make a slit in the front using a pair of scissors. Use this for the nose and the mouth accordingly. Now add these circular shapes to it as well and push it in. Add two dots in order to make the eyes. Add seeds to make the black portion of the eyes. Now make a twist the tail and attach it to the back. Take the cylindrical shape, two of them, and then add them one on top of the other. Add a cylindrical shape to the center as well. Now take some green dough and then make a green circular shape on it. On top of this, make these diagonal lines to it that have checks on them. Now add this to the top, flatten out either side of it, use a fork in order to do so. Make a slit in the front and now add seeds on either side. Next, take this ovular flattened piece of dough, roll it from one side almost to the top. Now roll it up, add a circular piece in the middle, make a slit in the middle as such. Now make two holes for the nose, make a slit at the back and then bring them in front. Add two holes and then add seeds for the eyes and do this. Make multiple slits at the top. Next, take the cylindrical piece of dough and now begin to roll it into a circular shape. Now once you're done with this, take the top and shape it accordingly, make a slit in the front, flatten two portions of it as such. Add a little seed in order to make the eyes and then make a slit in the middle. Afterwards, take the bottom portion of it and then make the legs out of it, cut out the tail at the back. Now you have made yourself a rabbit. You may cook it in order to get this texture out of it as well. Now it will stay in its position. Next, start off by taking the cylindrical piece of dough, then take the sausage, add it in the middle, roll this upwards. Make the ear shapes out of it and then add two holes for the eyes. Add little nose and then flatten the base in order to make the feet as well. Take the circular piece of dough, fold over two of the sides and now make a slit in the middle at the top. Begin to roll the bottom upwards as such. Now once you have done this, join the two sides together at the back. Make two holes for the eyes, add seeds for the eyes. Thank you for watching.